Alright guys, here we go. This is 62 Premium Pack Foosball 62. 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 134. 134, good. 134, okay, 63. $134. Alright, let me grab it. 134. Hip pump. $134. Gen 4, Ortiz 1, JB, Nick, and JB. Good luck, guys. 5 times for the 5 times. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Jen, you're on top. Jen's on the bottom there 5 times. Alright, Jen, AFC North. Ortiz, AFC South. Jen, AFC East. JB, AFC West. Jen, NFC North. JB, NFC South. Nick, NFC East. Jen, NFC West. Alright, guys. Any trades there? Let me know. Yep. A couple more teams are gone. There's, I think, 25-ish. A couple more teams are gone. Cowboys for Bengals. Cowboys for Bengals. Jen. Alright. eBay, YouTube, or, yeah. eBay, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. 134 out of 140. Alright. AFC South for NFC East. Nick, do you want AFC South? Check the weather real quick. Oh, we're supposed to rain tomorrow. Tomorrow's oh man, it's supposed to be highs of 48. It's supposed to rain. Supposed to rain at 2 p.m. Hopefully it doesn't. Nah. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Alright, first card is a Joey Bosa optic for the Chargers. Joey Bosa optic rookie. Joey Bosa. Next is a DK Metcalf silver rookie from Prism. Prism draft picks. DK Metcalf silver. Excuse me. Oh man. DK Metcalf silver Prism. And then we have a Tua Tagovailoa jersey. Rookie sweater for the Dolphins. Nice Tua jersey there. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Nice Tua rookie jersey, DK Metcalf silver, and Bosa optic. Excuse me. Alright, so Jen, you got the DK Metcalf silver. You also got the Tua, and JB, you got the optic Bosa. Okay, so Miami / Seattle, Jen, JB, waiting on my Burrow sweater. That'll go out. That'll be going out Friday. I didn't ship any of that. Alright, 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Top spot. Free spot in the bonus break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And JB. JB by Ryder. 62. Bonus. 62. 62 premium pack. Football. Alright. Or maybe I did ship. I don't think I did. I'll have to look. It's sitting behind me, I think. Premier Players number 4 is up next every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Stay tuned.